Hello my dear students, today I am sending you the solution of test number 1. Okay, the test was objective type. Check it from your answers and try to understand the wrong ones. If first question, if cos A is equal to 4 upon 5, okay, this is given to you. You have to find tan A. Okay, if cos A 4 upon 5, what is the meaning? See, roughly we can draw. This is base upon hypotenuse, no? So base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Then what will be perpendicular? This will be 25 minus 16. This is 9. And what is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is 3. So perpendicular is 3. What is tan A? Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base means 3 upon 4. This is your answer, 3 upon 4. Then what is 3 upon 4? Where is 3 upon 4? Here, 3 upon 4. See answer. Okay. Then question number 2. If sine A is equal to A upon B, make it one triangle again. A upon B means P upon H. What is P? This, H, this. You have to find sine theta, make it theta here. This is theta. Okay. What is the base? Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Okay. What you have to find out? Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It means under root b square minus a square upon b. So B is your answer. Okay. See, its answer was C. Its answer was B. Then come on the next one. This is the see. Next question is sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2 in sine table, just you see. Sine table root 3 by 2. This is 60 degree, no? This is sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, one way is this, we have to find out sine square 60 degree and cos square 60 degree. And one another trick I have, we know the identity of it. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it's always is equal to 1. So no need to find out whatever angle is given to you, but in identical form, if you get sin square theta plus cos square theta, directly you have to write 1. Without wasting time, you can put A there. Okay, come on, this was A. Then next question number 4, if tan A is equal to cot B, then A plus B is equal to tan A is equal to cot B. Tan A is equal to cot B. So what can I write cot B here? Can I write like tan 90 minus B? Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Tan to tan eliminate. A is equal to 90 minus B. So what we can write, A plus B is equal to what? 90 degree. Okay, so A plus B is 90 degree. This is your answer. This is, and this 90 degree is your answer. Come on the next one. Yes, this A and this is 90 degree. Okay, question number 5th, just you see. Question number 5th. In triangle ABC, it is right angle at B, and then tan A is given to you 4 upon 3. You have to find sine C. Tan A is given to you 4 upon 3. It means this is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 4, base is 3. Then what will be hypotenuse? 4 square 16, 3 square is 9. 9 plus 16, 25. Under root 25 means 5. You have to find sine C. It means C will be here. When two angles are here, then this will become base and this will become perpendicular. Okay, sine C. Then this will be 3 upon 5, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine C, this is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular was 3 and hypotenuse was 5. 3 upon 5. B is your answer. Question number 6. What is given here? Sine square 30 degree plus cos square 60 degree. Okay, this is sine square 30 degree and cos square 60 degree. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Then sine square 30 will be 1 upon 2 square. Cos 60 again 1 upon 2. But square is there. This is this. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. This will become 2 upon 4 and answer will come 1 upon 2. So what is the right answer? Answer is your 1 upon 2. If triangle ABC is right angle at C, then cos A plus B will be what? One triangle is right angle at C. Right angle at C. This is A. If one angle is 90 degree in right triangle, then sum of these two angles should be 90 degree. So you have to find the value of cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is what? 0. Okay, cos 90 degree is 0. So A is your answer. A is your answer. Come on the next one. If sine A is equal to 1 by 2, cos B is equal to 1 by 2. When sine A become 1 by 2 and when cos B become 1 by 2, sine become 1 by 2 at sine 30 degree. At sine 30 degrees. So I can say A is your 30. Cos B become 1 by 2, cos B become 1 by 2 at cos 60 degree. Okay, then if you compare it, this will be 60 degree. Then what is A plus B? A plus B is what? 30 plus 60. This is 90 degree. Okay, 30 plus 60 is 90 degree. This is your answer. Getting? This 90 degree is your answer. Next. Tan 30 upon cot 60. This is just like you can put value by table or you can use by complementary angles method. Okay, tan 30. Yes, tan 30 degree you keep as it is. And what is cot 60? So you can write cot 90 minus 30. If cot 90 minus 30 is what? Tan 30. And this tan 30 to tan 30 cut, what will come? 1. Then what will be the answer? D will be the answer is 1. Okay. Next one, 10th one. Tan A 1 degree, tan 89 degree complementary angles, tan 2 degree 88 complementary angles, tan 3 degree complementary angles, then all are complementary angles. Okay, so it will become 1. How 1 pair I am explaining, like tan 1 degree into tan 89 degree. Can I write like this? 89. So what will come? Tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree. Cot tan 1 degree and cot 1 degree, this is equal to 1. Then all are paired, so that is why you will get 1 into 1 into 1 and 1 will become answer. Last answer is 1.